shall tell you why. From the little joy I have, I dare to be content and know how to rejoice. For I cannot feel sorrow if harm or trouble comes to me. Rather, I always know how to think of something to be glad about this year. Who, if he were in my place, would give so great a thing as the joy I give. So much I love gladness and song. When I see the flowers come, that I think I grow rich. And it is a great comfort in flowers, when the weather is fair, that they will never fail. Never he should advance, nothing good comes to him from what he has done before. Rather, he has lost as much. Truly, he who does what he must will not fail in any way for good to come to him. I who have tried it know that trouble is good, and the effort of serving for the hope of enjoying, and joy conquered with toil is worth 1,000 times more than any other joy. Worthy lady, I have such desire that I beg you for mercy. For I know it befits you not to make, if you please, the empty semblances you show me when I gaze at you, so that just when I think to leave, deceit is mingled in. Take care in this for the harm to you and to me and to my song. Lady, with a true pure heart, the gladness that sustains me is when I remember you. For when I left from there with fair and proper words, mercy, when must I leave? But when I wish to return, a child of 2 years would move as fast if I followed my desire. Nor can I tell the great fair honors that you do me all year long, to me and to my song.